Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay with the virtual Revolut card. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is navigate to second tap cards. Now, if you already have a virtual card, you can skip ahead in this video. However, if you don't have one, then you simply click on get a card and click on virtual debit card. If you want to select a color, I'm going to go over to the first one. Let's say that this is going to be a tutorial card. And then you just simply click on create card. And this is how easy it is to get a virtual card on Revolut. Now the next is to use this card number when you purchase online. So that's it for today, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give a thumbs up and please press the bell icon. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.